Hey! Today I want to share with you why aluminium cake tins are the best to use when baking cakes. Honestly, they are an absolute game changer, and once you use them, you will never want to use anything else. Also, stay to the end to see why I never turn my cakes out onto cooling racks and what you can do instead.
First up, even heat distribution. Aluminium conducts heat more evenly than other metal tins, and this means no more overcooked edges and undercooked centres. You can say goodbye to those hard dried out crusts. Next, ease of cleaning. Cleaning these tins is an absolute breeze. I soak them, wipe and rinse, and they're ready for the next bake. They're lightweight, robust and stack super easily. Here's a quick cake hack to line your tins. Pull out a long piece of baking paper, fold it in half and then fold it again. Run a blade down the creased baking paper, cutting it into strips. You can then just roll them up and pop them in your drawer, and whenever you need them, pull one out. Butter the bottom of your tin and the sides. Pull out a baking strip and line for perfect results every time. I always split my cake mixture evenly between two tins. I even weigh them to make sure they're equal amounts. This saves on waste later. Each cake should be around 2.5 inches high once baked. Take the cake leveler and glide it through each baked cake, giving yourself 4 cake layers that match up beautifully. Once stacked and buttercreamed, your cake will then be around 5 inches tall, perfect for any celebration cake.
If you've been struggling to use a leveler to cut your cakes in the past, it's likely because you are cooling your cakes on that wide rack that I told you not to do earlier. And that's because the air will get to the cake and it creates really hard crust, so you won't be able to get it through. Here's the trick to make sure that you can stop that from today. Once you take the cake out of the oven, leave it in the tin to cool for around 5 to 10 minutes. And when you're ready to turn it out onto a piece of cling film. Lightly wrap it until it's cooled. You must lightly wrap it because if you wrap it tightly, you're going to change the shape of the cake, and we do not want that. The condensation will create moisture inside and lock in all of the moisture, and also give you beautiful soft sides to your cakes, which then means you can glide the leveler through super easily. For more tips on baking, creating the perfect sponge and quantities per tin, check out the link in the description to view my blog and see some of the other videos coming up. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next video.